What's up, guys? When I first started making music, I got together with some friends and we tried recording vocals to make a song. So we bought a mic, we set up a time, and we were so excited. And then I realized I had no idea what I was doing. He was ready to go, and I told him, hey, one sec, let me Google this real quick. I'm not getting any sound from the microphone. After about an hour or two trying to get it working, we ended up figuring it out, but the vibe was gone. It took lots of trial and error, and we wasted the opportunity to record while the energy was hot. And that's why I made this video, to help you guys be ready for when it's time to record. Today, I've got a vocalist coming over to help me show you how it really goes down. Let's go get him. Hey man, it's good to see you.
I know, it's been a while. How you been?
Bring it in. Good. Hey, and this right here, this is the studio.
Hey, this is nice, dude.
Thanks, bro. So, this is my man Spencer Nelson.
How we doing?
We've done a song together, we've done a few shows.
Done a handful of things together.
It's amazing, yeah. So I'm really excited to get in the studio with him. This is the first time we've actually recorded together. And what's special about today is that I'm gonna show you every step of this process. We're gonna go through exactly how to begin, how to record, how to get set up, situated. So let's begin with step one. Step one is to get your studio set up. Now, this is a really nice whisper room. If you don't have a whisper room, that's fine. Just get a place that you think it'll be quiet and you have a lot of acoustic treatment. Basically, you need a mic, you need a place with a lot of cushion, and that's pretty much it. Make sure you got a computer nearby. If your computer is loud, like this one, we put it outside of the studio. And one more thing about the setup is that you want to give them enough room to move around and stuff. And if they like to stand, make sure you can accommodate for that, but we're chilling. Step number two is to set up your microphone. So come over here, let me show you. This is our microphone. We have it set up with an XLR, and that is running to our Tascam interface. You should have at least one input on your interface. We have a bunch here, and luckily we have two headphone jacks, so I can listen at the same time as him and he can turn it up and down here. The back of this interface is going to the computer on the other side through a little hole, and that's where I'm gonna be standing and making the beats while he spits the verses. Step number three is positioning. So come over here, Spencer. Let's see how it feels. How you feeling? You feeling like a real rapper?
God, I love it. That's kind of what he said earlier, because I move around a ton whenever I do anything. I bring a lot of energy when I do it, so it's nice to have a little bit of room, good space between me and the mic. I feel like headphones have a ton of slack on it, so I feel like I can move around a little bit. It gives me like breathing room. So for me, this is ideal. So well done.
Awesome. So whenever you're recording with a vocalist, either you or the person needs to stand about 6 inches to a foot away. If you're too close to the mic, I've mentioned this before, but it'll turn into this boomy sound, and any slight movement will make a big change in volume and it sounds amateur. However, if you're too far away, then you start getting all these echoes coming in. So the sweet spot is right about where he is. You can tell he's done this before.
From what I do know about editing music, which isn't a lot, it makes it super hard to mix and master if you record from like different lengths while recording.
Very true. And that brings us over to step 4, which is to sound check. So my computer, Ableton, let me show you real quick. So here I have the mic connected to the computer. Ableton recognizes the Tascam. Oh, whereas there wasn't before? You're not being picky.
Yeah, it's like really slight, but it's there,
really
right?
there. So let me start over Ableton and see if we can get that going.
Yeah, you're good.
Can you give me something?
Yeah, let me see. Yo. Yeah, that's nothing. We're good.
Oh, woo! I turned it off and turned it back on. If I go here to preferences, you can see that I chose ASIO as my driver type. And then under audio device, I have here US 20x20 ASIO. That's my interface. So in this case, in Ableton, I need to go to this drop-down menu and make sure that it's selected to the channel that your mic is plugged into. In this case, it's number 1. And then I'm gonna go here to N and then hit this red button, or make it red, and that'll make it record. Spencer, can you give me a woo? Woo! Oh, how is it?
Boy, can I? Yeah, dude, sounds great to me.
All right, awesome. How about this? You remember that headphone knob right there?
Headphones?
Just crank it as much as you want until you like your voice.
Yeah. Yo. Okay, yeah, right there. That's probably good. Get it going. Get it going.
Here, I'm just gonna pull our beat into here and turn it down so it doesn't blast his eardrums out. How do you like your levels on the beat, Spencer?
Yeah, sounds fine to me, dude.
The balance is good?
For real, I think it's good. I don't think I need to work on anything. Just using the bass up just a tiny bit.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do here to turn up the bass is pull up an EQ and just crank this knob up a little bit.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. I'm just gonna run through my verse one time. Is that cool? I don't know if you're recording or not, but I'm just gonna run through it. Got too much on my plate, don't know what to write. It's a trap beat. What a night for a night. Could be a hassle in the castle if I'm thinking this right. So let's turn up the speed, hope you keep me in sight. Cause I gotta beat with the flow. Speed it up, who can go? Get it going, put on a show, wave to the camera, then I let it go. Cause I get it to go. Take it, spin nothing, then pass me the flow. My turn, I'll kill it for laying it though. Still moving, just killing it slow. Lauren Hill, miseducation. Slow it down, catch what I'm saying. Yeah, all right, we should be good. A lot of it's double time, so I'm gonna like break it down into sections, but you get the idea.
Oh, I get the idea, dude. Okay, we're rolling. This is good. All right, I'm just gonna make more and more audio tracks. So when you're working with these previous takes in the future, you want to make sure you turn these guys off. That way you don't hear his voice just pile up and up and up. And then have the settings set to off on this little part right here. You only want one track in at a time or it can get really confusing and just get messy. You also want to make sure that the track you're working with, this blank one, has the red button on it. And when you want to record, just hit this button right here. I have Ableton set to give me a count in right now. I'm going to turn that off because it's kind of annoying. I'm not recording MIDI or anything, in which case I'd keep it on. So when you're doing a mic check, you want to make sure that there's plenty of headroom. When I say headroom, I mean space right here in between the green and that ceiling. Because if it goes past that ceiling even just a little bit, it's going to clip or distort. And then it's going to take that wave and just make the top flat. And then it just starts sounding like this. Okay. So when Spencer was rolling during this mic check, he was coming in a little hot, getting a little close to that line. I like to play it safe, so we're gonna turn down his microphone just a little bit. Hey Spencer, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna go do it myself because it's a little complicated.
do whatever you gotta do.
All right, I want you to turn down your mic a little bit like that, so we can play it safe. Okay. And then turn your phones up a little bit more. That way you're still loud, and I'll turn down the beat so it doesn't hurt you.
Okay, so I'm not as loud. Okay, I'm with you. Yeah, you're good.
Cool. Yeah. You want to make sure when you're turning him down on the microphone, you're actually using the knob on the interface. If you just turn it down inside of Ableton, it's going to turn down an already distorted signal. You got to go from the very beginning and fix the problems there. I've mentioned this so many times, so you know what I'm talking about. If you're using a USB mic, you don't have the ability to turn it down on the interface because you're not using an interface. You need to go into the computer settings and change the level coming in from that microphone. So I'm going to go to recording, select this microphone. In your case, it would probably be the Snowball or the Blue Yeti or something like that. Go to properties, levels, and then here you can turn it down. That's the equivalent of turning it down on the interface if you don't have an interface. In my case, this won't actually do anything because I'm using the driver from the interface itself. It gets a little complicated, just trust me here. So one thing to remember whenever you're recording vocals is you want to be fast enough to catch up with their speed. If they're feeling something, don't worry about organizing stuff, just go with it. But whenever you can, try to group things together, that way you don't lose your mind. If the artist is feeling stage fright in any way, some things you can do is play their favorite song or their favorite artist and tell them to go along with it. For example, one time I was doing a song with this guy who's never rapped in his life. It was kind of a fun little project, but he sounded like he was reading lines like he was called in class to read. And I couldn't do that. So I asked him, who's your favorite artist? And he said Ice Cube. So I put on some Ice Cube and I told him, I need you to sound exactly like Ice Cube. And then he dropped all his insecurities and he sounded just like Ice Cube. Now look, when you're recording with an artist, try not to tell them to sound like another artist or if it's unattainable. The reason I did that is because it just triggered him and it allowed him to just drop all kind of fear and really go for what he was trying to sound like. So you can do that to begin with, but I wouldn't hold on to it for too long. We stopped comparing him to Ice Cube right after that and we just went with his own swag. Spencer, on the other hand, he knows what he's doing. He's done this plenty of times, so we're ready to roll. I'm gonna go ahead and record his lead. I'm gonna be listening to him, getting feedback on how he wants to do things. We're gonna work together on this and let him feel his confidence and let it ride. And then after the lead, we're gonna go record ad-libs. And if you don't know what ad-libs are, that's where in the song you'll hear stuff like or woo or yeah, stuff like that. Another thing we might want to try is to record doubles. And that's the same thing as the lead. You'll do it a few times and then you'll pan them hard left and hard right, meaning you're going to send the sound all the way to this ear and then another one all the way to this ear. It's going to make his vocal sound absolutely ginormous. I'll show you more about the technical stuff in a minute. One last thing I'll tell you before we record is to make sure you leave the mic rolling as much as possible. Because there are parts as well as memories you can put in your songs that just sound really good. I've done it before in a song like this. Listen.
The path that leads away from darkened roads. And up is
I'm gonna get rid of this track here.
Get the headphones back on. Yep.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Got too much on my plate, don't know what to write. It's a trap beat. What a night for a night. Could be a hassle in the castle if I'm thinking this right. So let's turn up the speed, hope you keep me in sight. Cause I got the beat, got the flow. Speed it up, who can go? Get it going, put on a run it back, dude, sorry.
No, it's all good. Dude, Spencer, you sounded so good. I'm gonna make a new track. Where do you want to pick it up?
Just pick up after I said speed it up, see if you can keep me in sight.
I'm gonna turn on his last vocal so he can go on top of it and know where he's at.
Hassle in the castle if I'm thinking this right. So let's turn up the speed, hope you keep me in sight. Cause I got the beat, got the flow. Speed it up, who can go? Get it going, put on a show, wave to the camera, then I let it go. Cause I get it, then get it, then get it, then go. Take it, spin nothing, then pass me the flow. My turn, I'll kill it for laying it though. Still moving, just killing it slow. And then we'll just pick up from there if that's cool.
Yeah, cool. This is something you're gonna battle if you're doing it the way I'm doing it. Is when it's recording and you turn off a track halfway through recording, it's gonna automate what you did and do it every time. So I wanna turn off what I just did by opening automation. Turn off this MIDI button here, press the A key, and then make sure that's off. Let's make a new audio track, set it in, hit record, let him listen to himself and then pick up from there. I'm gonna turn off automation. Let's go. Get it, then get it, then get it, then go. Take it, spin nothing, then pass me the flow. My turn, I'll kill it for laying it though. Still moving, just killing it slow. Like Lauryn Hill, Miseducation. Go back, I was off beat just slightly. That's my bad. It's all good. Get it, then get it, then get it, then go. Take it, spin nothing, then pass me the flow. My turn, I'll kill it for laying it though. Still moving, just killing it slow. Like Lauryn Hill, Miseducation. I slow it back down, you catch it what I'm saying. Not saying like Goku, I'm just saying what I don't do. If I keep playing, then I won't do what I could. Get it streaming like Roku. Ooh! Let's pick up right there again if that's cool. This is so much fun doing it with somebody that knows what they're doing.
If I keep playing, then I won't do what I could. Get it streaming like Roku. Too much, I can dumb it down and make it painless, numb it down. Losing more, give a run around like Jay-Z, I'm about to run to town. And then yeah, it goes quick, keeps going quick, so I don't want to do that all in one take. But I'm cool with that take, let's just keep going. Losing more, give a run around like Jay-Z, I'm about to run to town. And I'm still beginning, but I'm staying winning, cause I've been at it, been reminiscing as a young man, hearing boom bap, thinking nah man, I wanna do that.
When I said to leave the mic rolling, I have another program right here. This is Adobe Audition on my other monitor, and we're picking up the entire thing. And that's what I'm just gonna use. If we find any gold gems in there, I might put it in the song, we'll see. All right, Spence, you ready?
Yeah. Still beginning, but I'm staying winning, cause I've been at it, been reminiscing as a young man, hearing boom bap, thinking nah man, I wanna do that. So I got up, now we make it happen, another white kid make it fast rapping. Do my thing that used to be laughing, now I do it and the hands clapping.
Okay. I'm gonna make a few tracks here cause I see what we're doing. All right, let's go.
Up, now we make it happen, another white kid make it fast rapping. Do my thing that used to be laughing, now I do it and the hands clapping. And I know they think, oh man, we gotta hate this. I can't believe the people will really play this. I know they mad cause they really wanna say this. Say what you want, I'm just some unrecognized greatness. Gone.
That's it, huh?
That's it, that's my verse.
Do you wanna play it back and see if you wanna redo any parts?
Yeah, play it back to me real quick. I wanna redo the first part where I spit double time, where it's, cause I got the beat, got the flow, speed it up, so that part.
Alright, cool. I'll give you a little count in. Spencer, do you want me to put in some effects on your voice coming in?
If you want to, sure. If you think it would sound good. I mean, you're engineering, dude. If you think it sounds better, yeah, do what you like. Do whatever you want.
Let's see what it sounds like.
Dope.
Yeah, tell me, how do you like this?
I like this a lot, actually. I feel like it's like spacey, but not like
not too much.
This is good.
Okay, cool. Like I said before, if they're feeling it, then that's cool. You can put some effects on their incoming vocals. I'm gonna get rid of these guys and just make a few extra ones over here. Yeah, let's give you a lead in.
Turn up the speed, hope you keep me in sight. Cause I got the beat, got the flow. Speed it up, who can go? Get it going, here to put on a show. Wave to the camera, then I let it go. Then I get it, then get it, then get it, then go. Take it, spin nothing, then pass me the flow. My turn, I'll kill it for laying it though. Still moving, just killing it slow. Like Lauryn Hill. I wanted to add an ad-lib when I say it's a trap beat at the beginning, because it says, got too much on my plate, don't know what to write. It's a trap beat. What a night for a night. I just want to throw in like boom or something like that.
Yeah. Dude, just put on any ad-libs you feel. I'm just gonna let you roll.
Yeah, just play it through and I'll just put whatever ad-libs I want. Yeah. Got too much on my plate, don't know what to write. It's a trap beat. Boom. What a night for a night. Could be a hassle in the castle if I'm thinking this right. So let's turn up the speed, hope you keep me in sight. Cause I got the beat, got the flow. Speed it up, who can go? Get it going, here to put on a show. Wave to the camera, then I let it go. Then I get it, then get it, then get it, then go. Take it, spin nothing, then pass me the flow. My turn, I'll kill it for laying it though. Still moving, just killing it slow. Like Lauryn Hill, yeah, Miseducation. Yeah. I slow it back down, you catch it what I'm saying. Not saying like Goku, I'm just saying what I don't do. If I keep playing that I won't do. What I could get it streaming like Roku. Too much, I can dumb it down and make it painless, numb it down. Losing more, give a run around like Jay-Z, I'm about to run to town. And I'm still beginning, but I'm staying winning, cause I've been at it, been reminiscing as a young man hearing boom bap, thinking, nah man, I wanna do that. So I got up, now we make it happen. Another white kid make it fast rapping. Do my thing, they used to be laughing, now I do it and the hands clapping. And I know they think, oh man, we gotta hate this. I can't believe the people will really play this. I know they mad cause they really wanna say this. Say what you want, I'm just some unrecognized greatness. Gone.
Do you want to do one more set of doubles and ad-libs and we call it good?
Sure, yeah, just put it on again. If I want to throw anything else in there, I just will. Is that cool?
Okay, cool. I'm gonna pan your other ad-libs to the right. This one will be on the left.
Oh, dope. Cool. Yeah.
Okay, that's heat right there. We are good, my man. We just did everything. I mean, unless you want to do anything more, I am more than happy with what we got here.
Like legit. I'm very happy with how this song turned out, with how this verse turned out.
Yeah, me too. Bring it in, man. That was amazing.
Appreciate it, dude.
Look, guys, that is how you record vocals with an artist. Hopefully you get a chance to work with someone as good as Spencer. His music is everywhere. Look up Spencer Nelson and look at the track we made together.
Can't bring me down.
Thank you guys so much. Hope you learned something. See ya. Peace.